It's me, Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley!
And we're so excited. Today we're over at Play Gallatin near Nashville. Let's go explore together. Come on. Yay! Hey, what about cowgirls? Shouldn't they be called horse girls because they're on horses? No, it really gives me horse girls. We got such a cool indoor playground. Let's explore together. Come on. Wow, look at this. We've got monkey bars up here and little rocks and stones to hop through. Hop, hop. Whoa, whoa, hop. Oh, check it out. A really big balance beam. Let's balance together. Wow! Oh, and I see a wobble bridge. Let's see if we can go through. Oh, it's wobbling all right. Here we go. Oh, it's tough. It's hard, but we can do hard things. We did it! Yay! Let's keep exploring. Oh, wow, look at this. We've got a black obstacle, the brown one. Let's go over it. Over it. And here comes another one. Woohoo! Whoa, and look at these rollers. Let's go through together. Whoop. I feel like pasta dough. We did it. Let's keep going. Whoa, and look at these triangles. Let's see if we can hop from one to another, to another, and another one. Yahoo! Whoa, and look at these steps. Ooh, let's climb over them. Whoa. Whoa, great. Oh, and look at this. Oh, and it spins. Let's see if we can stand on it and spin together. Woo. Okay. Stop it. Wow, I got dizzy. Oh, let me find my balance. Okay, well, let's keep exploring. Wow, hello, where are you?
Right here, Mom.
Hopping around.
Trying to grab them.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
So I'll go through it all again. I can do this.
Come here, little wobble.
Now, Mom, go like this.
You've got great balance. Wow, okay, my turn. Here we go. Visualize it. Visualize the beam. Balance, 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 balance. Yay, we did it! This looks a little wibbly and a little wobbly.
But they're all connected. They're like swings. They're all connected.
Swing bridge. Ooh, you're super brave. Okay, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I'll actually steady it. I'll make it
Steady it. It's going wibbly and it's going wobbly. Oh no!
Trying to
Wow! Oh, thank you. You saved me. Whoa! Whoa! We did it! Oh, I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. That was tough. How'd you go over? Just mountain climbing it? Whoa! You're just leaping right over it?
And I like use my hands. Can I show you? How
Please, yeah, walk me through it. Kind of tell me about it.
It's like I jump, grab it, and kind of swing myself and land on my feet.
Okay, I'm gonna try that. I did it. I'm gonna do one more. 1, 2, 3, blast off!
Let's go through swirling.
Okay, that looks like training for, I don't know, wizards?
The triangles.
Ooh,
Don't get triangles.
How do I get triangle?
Just like that.
Okay, floor is lava. Here we go. I think I can do it.
Come on, over here.
Hiya, here we go. Wow, and check it out. On the floor, there's a little platform with a projector where you can play different games. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Wait, we're clearing the flowers.
Oh,
Let's see what it says behind it.
Welcome.
Welcome! Flower power, flower power. Whoa, let's climb up together. I see so many fun obstacles and rollers and pyramids and even tunnels. Come on. Woo. Wow. And look over here. We've got some pyramids. Whoa. Oh, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I see some more areas. Ooh, I see some more little stones that we can hop through. Ready? 1, 2. Ooh, let's pretend there's lava. Ah, the floor is lava. 3, 4. Wow, we're safe. We did it. Great job. Oh, wow, look at this ridge. Wow. I feel like I'm passing through the valley or some mountains. And I see some tunnels. Let's get through them together. Whoa, check out this tunnel. I hear a little echo. Hello. Hello! Whoa! Let's go through it! We are so brave! One more tunnel! Ooh! Oh, this one's tough. It's a little hard, but we can do hard things! Woo! I'll come follow. Boink, boink. You're just hopping?
Now we're going through the tunnel. Or use your foot as a bridge that we connect to both sides. Come on, you can
Here we go. Ooh, it is wibbly and it is wobbly. Okay, you're right about the sturdy part. That's kind of nice. Ooh, I did it. I did it.
Do you want to slide with me down the slide?
Okay, Ritz.
3, 2, 1. I love this day!
That's so beautiful. I'm so surprised. Check it out. They have a Neos 360, which is a cool light game that you can play with 1 or 2 people. Let's follow the lights.
What game should we play?
We can do ninja, zigzag, firefighter, or a light grabber. That's kind of fairy.
Leg grab.
Let's do it. Press it. Okay, you get the reds. I get the greens. Green. Green. Red. Oh. Red. Red. Green. 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 You get the reds?
Yeah, I think so.
Red. Oh, we got the red too. I think we got them all. Okay, let's select. Let's go 2 people. Okay, it's starting up.
Zigzag.
Oh yeah, go zigzag. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, red.
Oh, I'm green.
I don't know how to go. Green. I'm sure you just get the green?
Green. No, there's gotta be some red.
I don't see any red, but I'm running in a circle.
Whoa, they're changing.
Oh, red's over here. Oh, red's over here. Red's over there. Green's over here. Red's over here.
Green. 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 Let's see. Kick and punch your way. Become the ultimate ninja. Hi-ya! 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 Huh! 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 Hi-ya! Huh! Hi-ya!
There are so many fun things you can do here, and they even have toddler time on Tuesdays with different fun activities. So like color sorting or magnetic tiles, a little vegetable basket, gumballs counting that are colorful.
So I turn this.
Let's see what color pops out. Oh, you got a green one.
I wonder if there's different flavors, like pretend flavors.
Oh, that's fun. What do you think the green one would be?
Lime.
Yeah.
And lemon.
Okay, let's see what the next one we get.
And it feels red. Got the yellow.
Yellow.
See how there's no opening, right?
Right.
Watch this.
Oh, wow.
You have to like push them in through here.
I see. They're kind of like flexible, so they bend, come back up.
I'll give it another twisty, twisty, twoo. A green one. Now, Mom, you do it.
Okay.
So it twisted this way. You got a green one. I'm excited to see what you get.
Me too. Oh, I heard something. A blue one. What do you think that would be the flavor of?
Blueberries. Let me try.
Okay.
What color do you think I got one?
You got
Red.
What do you think that would be a flavor of?
Strawberries.
Mm.
Mom, should we play it a different way after we put them all back in?
I think that's a good
Remember, you
idea.
push them in like this.
Okay.
Looks like we're building an Iceland.
Yeah. Should we take it out?
Yeah.
Wow. Looks like you can build it however you'd like. So it looks like these blue ones can just kind of be the foundation.
It's like a... Wait, let me try that. It works.
Yeah. You want to connect ours?
Sure.
Okay. We're going to build something really cool. Let's see if this goes in. I think this is like a tree.
Oh, yeah.
This looks like fun. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is like a winter wonderland.
Then,
Ooh.
this is very, very
There's a hole in here. Wow, look at this. We just built this for a little penguin friend. Let's learn more about penguins together. At the bottom of our planet lies one of the coldest places on Earth. This frozen land is called Antarctica. It is covered in ice and shaped by strong winds. And here live penguins. Penguins are birds, but they do not fly. Instead, they are built for the ocean. Their wings are shaped like flippers, and their smooth bodies help them glide through icy water with speed and grace. The Antarctic Ocean is freezing. So how do penguins stay warm? They have thousands of tiny feathers packed tightly together, trapping air close to their bodies. Underneath, a thick layer of fat called blubber helps keep the cold out and the warmth in. When the wind grows fierce, penguins gather in huddles, sharing body heat and slowly rotating so each penguin gets a turn in the warm center. In this world of ice and sea, penguins survive through strength, teamwork, and remarkable adaptation. They may not soar through the sky, but in the ocean, they are masters.
And so the bowl, so there's one, so I think it might be like, find like the purples go in the purple can bowl.
I love that. Okay, let's set the bowls out then so we can see all the colors. We have purple, orange, green, red, yellow, and blue. Okay, and looks like we can use these little tweezers
Okay.
to kind of pick up a little colorful animal. Orange. Oh, I got a little yellow monkey. Hello, friends. I want to go in the yellow bowl. Monkey, we were swinging like monkeys earlier.
This is a fun toy.
Yeah? Little green teddy bear. I'll go in the green bowl. So we've got a red bunny.
I love playing with these toys.
Let's hop to it. Should we put all these ones in and then get a different one?
Sure thing.
Okay. You want to cook something? Looks like you can cut them.
First,
Put them together for you.
First, we gotta put them together all together. Let's together put them together.
Okay, let's look at what we have. We have a yellow pepper, eggplant, carrot, red pepper, purple onion, corn, tomato. What's this? Potato. I love potatoes. I love French fries. Mashed potatoes, potato chips. Hello, welcome to the store. What will you be buying today?
I would like, I'll use this.
Okay.
This.
What kind of recipe are you making?
And this. I'm making a soup.
Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Okay. Are you gonna cut your vegetables?
Yes. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them up in so I'm gonna go cut.
You do a lot of cooking at home?
Yeah, cut. 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 Done.
Oh, it smells so yummy.
Now let's put all the bags. Yum. Yummy.
Check it out. I found some blocks and I thought, hey, let's see if we can build a super big tower. You want to?
Yeah.
Okay, 1.
We can probably also build stairs or something.
Yeah.
Should we try?
Let's try it.
So we have to first, we have to try to find foundation.
Right.
Wait, we gotta do one.
Okay, wait, 1 less, 1 more.
And this, I'm gonna put a step-up stool on the side in case
Yeah.
need it. Like this.
Whoa! Okay, here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. You're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks high.
7,
Okay.
8.
Ooh.
Ready?
Steady spaghetti. Here we go. Now how many?
9.
Whoa.
Should we crush it?
Okay, let's see if it falls. Wow! Nice job. Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for exploring with us and playing with us. I love spending time with you, and I'm really proud of you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley!